Shopify Dropshippers. In this video, I'm going to be covering the best Shopify niches for you to sell in Q4 for 2020. Now, as of the recording of this video, it is October. Therefore, we have this month, November and December. And I want to put you in a position to be successful throughout 2020 because Shopify has exploded tremendously over these last couple months through 2020. Now, if you're interested, the software and app that I'm going to be using is called Topster. You can check that out. It's pinned below in the comment section. It's also listed in the description. But the cool thing about this for this particular video is this section right here where I am and the niche spy. And as you can see right here, it has most of the other e-com websites which you would use to do product research, such as Dropship Spy, Ecom Hunt, Hot Product, Niche Scraper, PLG, Pexta, and of course they have other categories if you want to be very specific in that. So I went ahead, found some products. We're going to check out the product page. We're going to check out how much it costs, the Facebook interest, all that good stuff. So if that interests you, firstly, stick all the way to the end of this video. And secondly, drop a like, show your support so this video can get shown all across YouTube. So the first product that I have for you, or the first niche I should say that I have for you, it looks like will be more so in the car niche. Now, I've been very successful selling in the car niche myself. Selling in the car niche, I was successfully able to generate over $20,000 in profit, or I should say net profit, not revenue, net profit, which is the money that I get to keep. Now, and see they have a link to the AliExpress supplier. I'm not going to do that. Instead, we're going to take a look at the Facebook ad, and we're going to come up with our own diagnostics from there. Hopefully, we can check out some reviews. Now, while my Facebook ad loads up, let's look at the product cost. Product cost is going to cost us $1.26. We're going to be selling it for $20, giving us a profit margin of $16.20. That section, we just came from Topster.com. So let's take a look at this Facebook ad. Again, we're in the car niche. We can see everything, the ad copy of what they're launching. The only thing we're unable to see is the interest we're targeting, but don't worry, Topster has us covered for the interest. So let's take a look at some of the reviews. Obviously, you can see the page on Facebook has pinned a link to their product page right there, which is smart. A lot of people saying it works. A lot of funny comment. Safe to say, we can't see the video views for some reason. Might be my computer. But again, over 2.3K shares, so they're definitely getting a lot of traffic, organic traffic, paid traffic generated to their product page. So it's safe to say they're making a good amount of money, especially based on this amount of engagement. So we're going to exit out of this. We're going to move forward to the second niche, which I have for you for Q4 in 2020. Second niche that I have for you today is we're going to be taking a dive into the pet niche. It's more specifically the dog niche. Product cost is going to cost us around $7.12. We're going to be selling this product for $28.99. I recommend $29.99. So basically $30, giving us a profit margin of $21.23. So let's head over to the Facebook ad section and get a general idea of what this video ad is looking like. All right, so here we are on the Facebook ad. I like all the ad copy of what they have right there. It's very eye-catching, very appealing. They have a nice, ready-to-go video ad. It's very attentive. It's holding my attention very well. I can only imagine people are actually interested in buying this. We see a few comments from people who's already bought this. Actually, let's look at this engagement. 163 shares, 388 comments, 579 actual post engagement. So it's safe to say that they're still testing this product. However, they've launched this in August 18th, so they've been testing it for about 2 months now. Hopefully, they found a formula that's working. But as we can see through the comments, it looks like it's off to a good start. So definitely hop on this while you can for Q4. The pet niche, specifically the dog niche, is definitely something you want to be a part of in Q4 for 2020. This takes us to the next niche that I have available for you is we're going to be taking a look into the fashion niche, more specifically the jewelry niche. Now, this specific product is going to cost you $1.66. We're going to be selling this for about $15, giving you a profit margin of $13.29 per sale. All right, so here's the Facebook ad for this specific product, which I just showed you on Topster. Wow, that's very beautiful. I'm sure any woman would love to have that. They've been testing this product since September, so it hasn't even been a month yet. They've been testing for, it looks like 2 weeks. And based on the engagement, what we're seeing, it already looks to be successful. Safe to say they're making a lot of money. Let's take a look more at the comments. Someone just said they just purchased one, looking forward to receiving it. Got one for Christmas last year, so beautiful. So yeah, you definitely want to hop in the jewelry niche for Q4. It's definitely going to be on an uprising trend as we approach the end of 2020. It's actually in the kids niche. To be more specifically, it's in the toy niche, and we're going to be selling a robot toy. Now the product cost is going to cost you $19.70. We're going to be selling this product for $50, giving us a nice safe profit margin for $30.25. As we did for the last three niches. Let's take a look at the Facebook ad. On the Facebook ad, let's take a look at that engagement. Nice, they have 2.5K engagement, 417 comment, little under 1,000 shares. Safe to say they're being profitable in this ad. Comments look good. Everything looks good. So a few of the niches I wanted to showcase for you in this video. Again, we have many different niches for you to choose for. If you are interested in installing the Topster app, all you have to do is click on the link that's in my description, or go down to the comment section and I'll have it pinned below for you to check it out. If you like any consulting with me for a one-on-one meeting, make sure you go to the link where it says schedule your one-on-one meeting with Mr. Da Vinci. For any more questions or concerns that you may have about building your Shopify store, let alone what products you should source for Q4, check out my most recent video. Also, check out my playlist below about how I went about creating a Shopify store from scratch and turning it profitable, as well as my Facebook ads playlist to show you everything you need to know to be successful with your Shopify store. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate if you would subscribe, hit the notification bell, and before you leave, I appreciate if you smash that thumbs up button. Whichever of these videos you decide to click on, I will see you on the other side of that. Take care. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci, signing off. See you on the next video.